be able to right click. Okay, so I'm going to go to System Preferences. And I'm going to go to the waffle right here next to the software update and pick mouse. Okay, and I need to change primary to secondary. Okay, the other thing I like to do is just kind of put all these in the center so that you don't have to double click really fast and it doesn't scroll too fast. Okay, it's up to you. All right, the next thing is I can't see my hard drive. So I'm going to go to Finder, and if you don't see Finder, this is your shortcut to Finder. I don't need this open. I'm going to go to Finder and Preferences. And I want to see my hard disk and any connected servers and external. So all these need to be selected. Okay. All right. The next is we're going to arrange our dock. So I'm going to click and drag all of these off. I don't need any of these things. Kind of unnecessary. Don't want Safari. Okay, so now I want to bring the apps that I want down here that I'm going to use often. Okay, so I'm going to go to the hard drive and I'm going to go to Applications. And for sure, I am going to go to Chrome and click and drag and bring it down. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Photoshop and I'm going to click and drag this down. Okay, and that's all we need for right now. We can add some later. Okay. All right, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to create a folder. So I'm going to right click on the desktop and say new folder, and I'm going to name it first name, last name, photo, the year. So 21, 22, okay? All right, so now I have my folder, and this is where you should be putting all your projects, and I like to put my projects in folders, okay? And again, how I renamed that was just right click and rename. Okay, so now I want to take a screenshot that I've done all these things. You're going to prove to me that you did it. So I'm going to hit Shift, Command, and 3 at the same time. Okay, it's going to take a picture. Maybe Shift, Command, 3. There you go. Make sure you do it all at the same time. Okay, it's going to show this little preview. Just ignore it for a second, and then it's going to show up on your desktop. So you're going to right click and say rename, and you're going to name it first name, last name, underscore screenshot, underscore the day. Okay. All right. So that's how you rename it. Okay. Now I want you to prove that you can go to our website. Okay. So I'm going to go to Chrome, and I'm going to go to the website, our class website, which is digitalarts116.org. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a targeted screenshot, which means you're just going to take any picture, okay? Just an area of the screen, okay? So I'm going to do Shift Command 4 this time, and a little target comes up, and I'm just going to take a picture of just this. You guys can take a picture of whatever part of it. Okay, so that's how you can kind of copy a picture to your desktop if it doesn't let you right click and save the image. Okay, so I'm going to rename this one first name, last name, underscore targeted. Except we're going to spell it right. Targeted screenshot, underscore, and then today's date. Okay, we're done. So that means I'm going to go to Canvas. Now, I want to emphasize that you could not just put canvas.com. You can't. It won't let you get to Canvas. So that's why I want you to memorize digitalarts116.org. There's posters in the room that remind you what it is, or it's on the board. So you're going to go to Canvas, and you're going to log in with Google. Okay, so it should be RL and then RL and then your ID number and then and then this. I'm going to go next. Okay, and then your password. Okay, you're going to go to our class. I'm going to go to photography, and I'm going to go to modules, and I'm going to go down to week 12. Okay, and there should be a summative called screenshots. And I'm going to say start assignment, and I'm going to say upload file, and I can click and drag it on there, and I'm going to say add another file and upload file, and click and drag it. Okay, so I have my screenshot, my targeted screenshot. That's it. That's all you needed to do. And you're going to make sure that they're named correctly, and then submit assignment. Okay, little bonus. I noticed that my mouse is scrolling natural. I hate that, so I'm going to undo that. The other thing that I wanted to show you was you can change your desktop. Okay, so that was desktop and screensaver. So you can go to desktop and screensaver, and you can change it so it's personal to you. Maybe, if it actually works. And there's some cool ones that will change during the time of day. And it didn't work for me. That's cool. All right, that's what I got for you.